Hi there guys and girls, good evening to every one of you. I'm back here again in cinema, Santa Lucia Cinema, because I'm gonna ask the ticket seller or anyone with them if this would be possible to make a refund, because I didn't meet the satisfaction for the movie that I've watched. I'll just give it a try, okay? Hold on. Sir, excuse me. May may concern lang ako. Pag sakali ba na hindi mo nagustuhan yung pelikula, pwede bang i-refund?
Hindi na sir,
Hindi.
basta napunit na po yung tickets.
Kasi hindi maganda eh. Nakakainis. Ang Blink Twice. Yung Blink Twice. Hindi ko ma-figure out yung kwento nila kung anong ibig nilang sabihin.
Yun lang po.
So guys and girls, sad to say, they can't make a refund for this because it's already tear off. So, wala man lang bang kunwari on the next time na ano ba tawag doon, yung para ma-satisfied ulit yung yun?
Kasi hindi po namin
Wala ba kayong gano'n na kunwari na
po eh.
hindi nyo kino-concern yan sa head nyo na kunwari hindi man actually complain o sabi natin, sige complain na parang na hindi na kontento sa panood. Wala bang yung sa susunod na visit niya meron na siyang privilege to watch again for free or discount?
Wala po sir.
Wala gano'n.
Kasi choices po ni customer na kung yun ang gusto niyang panood.
Okay. So, thank you.
Thank you.
At least nag-try lang ako baka sakali. Thank you. So guys, sorry to say, I can make a refund because I can't move on with this movie. Anyway, move on ahead, it's okay? Better luck next time. Because I didn't meet the satisfaction. I never got scared. Anyway, bye for now. This is it. I still love you, Santa Lucia Mall, okay? Anyway, guys and girls, shout out to each every one of you. Thank you, Lord, for all the blessings that you gave, for all the trials and challenges that I've surpassed. Shout out to my family in Vigo, headed by my mother, Fair Borges, Sindor, Babich, and Kiel. Shout out to all my first viewers who never get tired of my master pieces. Thank you so much to every one of you, and to all my silent subscribers out there, hi, and to all my lovely countries below. Anyway, guys and girls, thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Like, share, subscribe as always. Bye for now. Hold on. Bye.